Marilyn was born in Santa Monica, California. Her parents are from Scotland. So we've been to Scotland many, many times. In one of our trips, we went to see Cousin John in Montrose, Scotland. He gave us a CD. Now, north of Montrose is Aberdeen. And the reason why the CD is very unique is in Aberdeen and even a little further north, Petershead, Scotland, you will know of a radio personality called Real Life Radio, Robin Galloway. He personates people of Petershead that have a very thick Scottish brogue. It's not understandable. It's very, in fact, I want you to hear that clip that Cousin John gave us. Not the whole thing, just a portion. What you are about to hear is truly Petershead, Scotland, and the brogue from that northern part of the east coast of Scotland. It's ancient, and it's really not the vernacular of the younger generation. It's the older generation. It's the generation of Marilyn's grandfather from Aberdeen area. She said when she used to go, she could barely understand and would need an interpreter to hear her grandpa speaking to her. This gives you a flavor.
Hello?
Hello there.
Hello?
Yes, hello there. Can you hear me, dear?
Yes?
This is Hector Brocklebunk from HB Fash. And I'm just phoning up about speaking.
About what?
I'm phoning up about the speaking, learning to speak properly.
What phone? I think you've got the wrong phone number.
Is that the linguist? Is that the speech therapist?
Yes, yes.
Hi, hello.
Hello? Where are you phoning from?
I'm on my mobile at the moment. It's Hector Brocklebunk from HB Fash. I'm in the lorry doing my deliveries, you see.
Oh, yes, right.
And I'm losing an awful lot of trade because folk can't understand what I'm speaking about.
That's right.
You see?
How can I?
Aye.
The moral of the story is you're going to have times in your life where you feel people don't understand you. And I'm all alone. No one understands me. You feel frustrated because you're going through some trial or tribulation. You're struggling with a bout of something that you have acquired in your life, like a bad habit, and you can't shake it. And when you talk to people of why you're doing what you're doing, they just don't understand. I've got good news for you. Jesus was in that same boat. He preached clearly. He did miracles. And scribes and Pharisees and others just didn't understand him. Can you imagine being God on earth and finding humans that don't understand you? I mean, it's crazy. Jesus experienced it. We also akin this to our precious beloved psalmist David. Many of his psalms are psalms of crying out to God because he's not understood. If you feel that you're not understood and that you're struggling in your faith and your walk with Christ, or just your walk in general, take heart, take hope. Jesus understands that. He walked this earth and walked that path. God understands you. You're fearfully and wonderfully made. He created you. He knows your inner being. He knows you before you were born, while you were being formed in the womb. Go to God when no one understands you and cry out and go, Father in heaven, I know that you understand me. Help me get over this depression, this feeling of rejection that nobody understands me. Please embrace me with your love and fill me in such a way that I can continue to desire to walk the walk on this earth that you have destined for me. That's a prayer that God will listen to, and He will meet you there and carry you as a shepherd does a lamb that has fallen. He picks him up and goes forward. I leave you with this word to pause and ponder.